Hey Kim, how you doing?
Hi, we're outside, pretty warm at the moment, but otherwise okay.
I'm actually in Grand Rapids today, and I'm actually down the street from your house, and I'm going to drop off your van now. So it is real.
It's real.
Yes.
It's really there.
So really, it was really cool doing this for you. We've never done a mobile veterinary clinic, and that you're starting a new business, all of that. Just really excited. The whole team wishes they could be here, but it was just a lot more fun.
Well, tell them thank you for it.
Yeah, you will, actually.
Okay.
There you go. Troy, you get the door.
Oh, wow!
Oh, yeah.
Thank you very much to the whole Drifter team, because we know that a project like this that turned out amazing takes a lot of people and a lot of work and so thank you to all of you for putting so much time in. We can tell that you thought about it really carefully, because there are a lot of details here that we know we didn't tell you about, but you thought of it anyway, so good job.